Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Dodge Charger 2011 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Front Power Distribution Center. The front power distribution center in the 2011 and 2012 Dodge Charger houses fuses and relays that control vital systems such as the engine, transmission, lighting, and climate control. It ensures proper distribution of electrical power to high-demand components for safe and efficient performance. This setup also protects the vehicle's circuits from overloads and short circuits. The front power distribution center in the 2013 and 2014 Dodge Charger manages fuses and relays for essential systems like the engine, ABS, transmission, lighting, and HVAC. It provides reliable power distribution to support the vehicle's performance and safety features. Additionally, it safeguards electrical circuits against overloads and short circuits. The front power distribution center in the 2015 Dodge Charger contains fuses and relays that power key systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, lighting, and climate control. It ensures stable and efficient electrical distribution for optimal vehicle performance. At the same time, it protects critical circuits from overloads and electrical damage. The front power distribution center in the 2016 Dodge Charger houses fuses and relays that supply power to essential systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, lighting, and climate control. It ensures consistent and safe electrical flow for dependable performance. Additionally, it protects critical circuits from overloads and short circuits. The front power distribution center in the 2017 Dodge Charger distributes power through fuses and relays to vital systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, lighting, and HVAC. It ensures reliable and efficient operation by maintaining a steady electrical supply. At the same time, it safeguards important circuits from overloads and electrical faults. The front power distribution center in the 2018 to 2019 Dodge Charger manages fuses and relays that power essential systems including the engine, transmission, ABS, lighting, and climate control. It ensures efficient and reliable electrical distribution for smooth vehicle operation. Additionally, it protects major circuits from overloads, short circuits, and potential electrical damage. Rear Power Distribution Center. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2011 to 2012 Dodge Charger contains fuses and relays that supply power to systems such as the rear lighting, audio system, power seats, and other cabin accessories. It ensures proper distribution of electricity to enhance comfort and convenience features. Additionally, it protects rear electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2013 and 2014 Dodge Charger provides fuses and relays for systems such as rear lighting, audio components, power outlets, and seat controls. It ensures dependable power delivery to enhance passenger comfort and convenience. At the same time, it safeguards the rear electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2015 Dodge Charger houses fuses and relays that control rear lighting, audio systems, power outlets, and seat functions. It ensures reliable power distribution for passenger comfort and convenience. Additionally, it protects the rear electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2016 Dodge Charger contains fuses and relays that manage power for rear lighting, audio equipment, power outlets, and seat controls. It ensures consistent and reliable operation of comfort and convenience features. Additionally, it safeguards the rear electrical circuits against overloads and short circuits. The rear power distribution center in the 2017 Dodge Charger houses fuses and relays that distribute power to rear lighting, audio systems, power outlets, and seat controls. It ensures reliable operation of comfort and convenience features for passengers. At the same time, it protects the rear electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. The rear power distribution center in the 2018 to 2019 Dodge Charger contains fuses and relays that power rear lighting, audio systems, seat functions, and power outlets. It ensures consistent and efficient operation of passenger comfort and convenience features. Additionally, it protects rear electrical circuits from overloads, short circuits, and potential damage.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.